This is the Excel TvLoan tutorial for the 3rd edition. So in the beginning, after you download the Excel TvLoan spreadsheet, we have to enter the following data into the cells. We're setting the initial conditions for the Excel TvLoan spreadsheet. So when I just downloaded it here, and I click on questions, it takes me to this is where I do my work here. So in the first step 1, set cell B7 equal to cell H4. So I identify cell B7, which is here, and I set it equal to H4. And I hit enter. There. Now you see it says 1000. Set step 2 in cell H9. Set cell H9 equal to the formula H5 divided by H8. So I have to identify cell H9, which is here. Put my equal sign. H5 divided by H8. Enter. And then step 3, in cell C7, set cell C7 equal to the formula $H $9 star B7. So I selected cell B7 and I put an equal sign. Then I have $, $H $9 star B7, and I hit enter. Okay. So your Excel TvLoan spreadsheet should look like the one below, here and here. Now you're ready to follow directions from the TvLoan instructions Windows document and a modified TvLoan tutorial linked below. In cell E7, calculate the new balance at the end of month 1. Fill E7 down to column E36. So E7 is located here. E7 is located here, and hit equals. E7 is equal to, open parentheses, B7 shift plus E7 close parentheses minus D7, and hit enter. Okay, let's see here. B7 and C7. Should be a C7 there. Okay. And hit enter. There. And fill down to E36. Okay. In cell B8, find the balance at the beginning of month 2. I'll fill down B8 down to column B. So B8 is equal to E7. So B8 is here, equal to E7. E7, and I hit enter. Fill B8 down to B36. Fill C7 down to C36. C7 down to C36. Apply to cell range C8 to D36 in here. The same formatting that is for E7. Select cell E7 on the Home tab. So I'll make it bigger. Select cell E7 is here on the Home tab. Click Format Painter. Go to the region you want to cover. There. When it's like that, you see how it changed. Now when I go to fill it, it should go ahead and fill. Right there. Format Painter. So it's selected that cell. So I go to E. Okay, so I'm selecting this region here. And it changed it. Okay. And okay. And values in D7 to D36 should be equal to $50, and they are. In F38, how much is that owned at the end of month year? So it's 12 months in a year. Here. Okay. And they want that location of that cell is E18. Okay. 12 here. Here. E18. At the end of 1 year, so you select that cell. And F38, you put that location formula. E18. Hit enter. And that's how much it is. And then they want to know F40, find the number of months to pay off the loan. So you see where it changes here. The balance starts out owing 1,000 and it decreases. And so finally when it's paid off, it's going to happen in the 23rd month. And the location of that 23 is A29. So I select that cell, F40, and I go to my formula bar, and I hit equals A29. Which tells me that it's in the 23rd month. Then it says save your file and submit for grading. So when they get to these points here for F38 and F40, they want the cell location for the answer. They want the cell location for the answer. Okay. And that is it for this particular document.